Welcome to a world where devices transcend their tool status, turning into intelligent companions aimed at enhancing our lives in unimaginable ways. We're in the age of artificial intelligence, a revolution that's reshaping our everyday lives. No longer a subject of sci-fi, we're in the thick of it right here, right now. AI isn't just about machines or software intelligence, it aims at crafting applications that connect with us, comprehend our needs, and even act on our behalf. From compact robots to AI-driven security systems, the future of personal computing is here. So buckle up and prepare to navigate a world where magic is powered by AI. First stop on our magical journey, we encounter the Blueprint Fingerbot, a tiny robot with big capabilities. Imagine a world where the push of buttons and flick of switches are no longer manual tasks. Enter the Blueprint Fingerbot, a miniature marvel of artificial intelligence that brings this vision to life. This compact device is designed to control buttons and switches around your home, simplifying and streamlining your daily routines. Think about it. With the Blueprint Fingerbot, your morning coffee could be brewing before you even step out of bed. Your lights could be turned off without you having to leave the comfort of your couch. This tiny robot can interact with various appliances and devices, making it an essential companion in our modern world. The Blueprint Fingerbot is an exciting testament to how artificial intelligence can enhance our lives in unexpected ways. It's not just about big, splashy innovations. Sometimes it's the small changes that make the biggest difference. With the Blueprint Fingerbot, the future of convenience is truly in our hands. Next, we step into a realm of security like no other, with Hex Command and Hex Sense. These innovative devices revolutionize the way we perceive home security. Imagine a world where you can sleep soundly, knowing that your home is under the watchful eyes of Hex Command and Hex Sense. These devices work in harmony to create an impenetrable fortress of safety. Hex Command acts as the brain, orchestrating a symphony of security measures, while Hex Sense serves as the eyes and ears, ever vigilant and ready to alert you to any potential threats. They're not just about alerting you to intruders either. They're designed to monitor all aspects of your home's safety, from fire and flood detection to carbon monoxide levels. In essence, these devices are your personal guards, tirelessly working to keep you and your loved ones safe. With Hex Command and Hex Sense, you're not just protected, you're empowered. You're given the freedom to live your life without the constant worry of what might be lurking around the corner. With Hex Command and Hex Sense, home security is no longer a concern, but a guarantee. Moving along, we meet Vector, an AI-powered home robot that's more than just a machine. This nifty device is designed to interact with the world in a way that feels natural and intuitive. Vector is equipped with advanced sensors that allow it to respond to sound, sight, and touch, making it a highly responsive and engaging companion. Let's delve a bit deeper. Vector isn't just capable of recognizing sounds, it understands them, making it an excellent listener. Whether you're asking it a question or simply chatting, Vector is all ears, ready to engage and respond. But it doesn't stop there. Vector's vision system is a marvel of modern technology. It doesn't just see, it comprehends, recognizing people, objects, and even emotions. It's like having a little friend who's always ready to play a game or just keep you company. And what about touch? Vector is designed to perceive and react to physical contact, giving it a sense of presence and personality that's rare in AI-powered devices. It's more than just a hands-off gadget. It's an interactive companion. Vector also excels at performing tasks. Need to know the weather forecast? Just ask Vector. Looking for an answer to a question? Vector's on it. This little robot is always ready to assist, making life not just easier but also more enjoyable. With Vector, you have a companion that's always ready to assist, making life more manageable and enjoyable. Now, envision a world where managing weight and health becomes a personalized and intuitive experience. Welcome to the world of Shoppa. Shoppa is more than just an AI-powered device. It's a revolution in personalized weight management. This innovative system is designed to focus on long-term habits and overall health goals, rather than the short-term gains or losses that traditional scales measure. Shoppa understands that health is not just about numbers on a scale, it's about lifestyle, habits, and overall well-being. Through its advanced algorithms and seamless integration with your daily life, Shoppa provides personalized guidance and feedback tailored to your unique health profile and lifestyle. It's like having a personal health coach in your pocket, ready to guide you towards better habits and healthier choices. Shoppa goes beyond mere data tracking. It offers actionable insights and encourages gradual lifestyle changes that lead to sustainable weight management. It's not about drastic diets or intense workout regimes, it's about making small, manageable changes that add up over time. With Shoppa, achieving your health goals becomes less of a struggle and more of a journey. Finally, we arrive at the Blurums camera, a device that's always watching, always protecting. This is not just any ordinary camera, it's a technological marvel powered by the wonders of artificial intelligence. The Blurums camera offers around-the-clock home monitoring, ensuring the safety of your abode, day and night. What sets this device apart is its ability to create customizable motion detection zones. This feature allows you to pinpoint specific areas for the camera to focus on, providing a tailored security solution for your home. Whether it's the front door, a baby's room, or a valuable collection, the Blurums camera keeps a watchful eye on what matters most to you. But this camera isn't just about motion detection. It goes a step further to provide professional quality visuals with its 4,000 lines of resolution, shot at 60 frames per second. This means the footage you get is not just secure, but also stunningly clear. And let's not forget about the AI face identification feature. This camera is smart enough to recognize familiar faces, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. Imagine your camera knowing when you're home and adjusting its settings accordingly. With the Blurums camera, you can rest easy, knowing that your home is under constant, vigilant protection. Our journey through this magical world of AI-powered devices comes to an end, but the revolution has just begun. We've taken a glimpse into the future, exploring devices that seem lifted straight from the pages of a science fiction novel. From the handy Blueprint Fingerbot, a compact marvel that controls buttons and switches, to the vigilant Hex Command and Hex Sense, designed to safeguard our homes. We've seen Vector, the responsive home robot that hears, sees and feels performing tasks that make our lives easier. We've discovered Shoppa, a personalized weight management system that focuses on long-term habits and overall health goals. And lastly, we've looked at the Blurums camera, a sophisticated home monitoring system that uses AI to identify faces and track subjects, providing 24/7 security. Each of these devices represents a step towards a future where AI doesn't just assist us, it enhances our lives in ways we can barely imagine. The future is not tomorrow, next week, or next year, the future is now. So embrace the magic of AI and remember the best is yet to come.